nature in the city. Right over to the gas station and to the coffee house. Oh, what are they doing, these deer? I don't know which way they're going. Traffic's all around. We're right in the city. And here's the little babies here. Bambi's all grown up. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? That's just beautiful. Yeah. They're all grown up. Little baby deer have all grown up. You're gonna have to follow Mama now. Yeah. There they go. There they go. Off they go. Falling back to their mother. We were there. And there goes the other one. Back to its mother. There they go. Back again.